Now we will understand about the working of the database. First, what is the database? Database is an organized and collection of related data, and this data is stored mostly electronically in a computer system. Database does not keep the separate copies of a particular data file. Still, a large number of users can access the same data at the same time. For example, if you want to see the price of a particular product, and there are a large number of other persons also who want to say the price of the same product, say in the festival season, all the customers are interested to buy a particular product, all the persons can, or most of the persons can access the same concurrently. The database is stored on a server. What is the server? Server is a computer that is dedicated to storing and managing the database. This is not a small computer. These are the very big size machines which are used for storing the data of organizations. The server where the database lies is connected to the internet so that the users can access the database from anywhere. For example, we do not know when we are going for online shopping, we do not know where the server is lying or where the database is lying on the which server. The server may be lying in your country or in some foreign country. All these servers are interconnected, and when we visit any or a website, we need not to think about the database or database server, and we are immediately shown the desired results which we want. That is, if we want to purchase a particular product, all the necessary details will be immediately flashed on our computer system, and we can access the database. Database means the information in respect of the particular product we can access from anywhere, from any part of the world. We can get the information by visiting a particular site. As shown in the diagram, now we are showing the working of the database in somewhat simple form, in picture form. These are the users, that is, we general people or the users. When we want something, we make the request. The request goes to the database system. Database management system or DBMS interacts with the database. Database management system finds out whether the particular information which the user is trying to search is available or not. If the information is available, then it tells this, it provides the necessary information to the user, and if the information is not available, then again search may be done to find out again. As shown in the figure, in the diagram, DBMS works as an interface between the users and the centralized database. Firstly, a request or query is forwarded to the DBMS, which works on the query with the available data. A searching process is started on the centralized database, and if the result is obtained, it is forwarded to the user. If the output does not completely fulfill the requirements of the user, then a rollback, again search is done, and again search process is performed until the desired output is obtained. It means that if you search a particular thing on a particular site and you are not satisfied with the reply given by the database or database management system, you can again search for the same, and again the database DBMS will perform the search from the database, and again the result of the same, whatever they find in the database, DBMS finds in the database, will be provided to the user. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.